So you've bought the Ninja coffee machine and you turn it on and you get this orange light next to the word clean. And you don't know what to clean, so you ignore it. Well, I'm gonna tell you, you do need to do some cleaning, but it's only gonna take you 10 minutes. So I'm gonna show you exactly what it's telling you to clean, how to clean it, and what you need. And then you're gonna go and do it, it's gonna be done, and you're gonna know how to do it for the future. And your £500 coffee machine is gonna continue to give you after value because you're maintaining it the way you should. First things first, I'm gonna show you the state of mine. I'm gonna clean all of this because what collects is the bits of coffee and then the oils, and you should find that if you've left this a long time, the next coffee that you have afterwards tastes a little bit fresher. Before we start, a couple of things that you'll need. I want you to go and look for this box. You got this when you purchased the coffee machine. Inside here is the tablet that we're going to use to clean this section of the coffee machine. Next, you need to find this little cleaning tray here. Now, this is going to hold the tablet and stop the water from filtering through when we clean the coffee machine. This could be in your box still, or there's a little secret storage cupboard. You might have put it there. The last thing you need to check before you start the clean is that this has the double basket on. If you're not sure where it is, it might again be sat in your accessory cupboard. And then 2 little bits of prep before the clean begins. You're gonna wanna empty your water tray because we're gonna do a water cycle and it's gonna fill up. And then you need to fill the water tank up to the max line. So we're gonna pop our cleaning tray inside along with our tablet, then lock that in. And to start the clean, you're gonna wanna press your cleaning button followed by your start brew button. So your timer here shows you how long it's gonna take. It's 5.5 minutes. And then when it's ready, we can check how it's done. So it's finished. Just be careful when you take it out because sometimes it does have a little bit of water in and it is hot. So be very careful. But then you're gonna take this out like that. And then we can do the rest of our cleaning. So we're gonna empty the water tray because as you can see, it is completely full. To finish off, we need to make sure we put this back in our accessory cupboard. And as you can see, I've given it a nice clean. That just took a few minutes as well, nothing major. So I encourage you to do that while you're in the mode. And now we're ready for a nice, fresh coffee.